Every morning that we wake up, we're one of three men. I've been all three, and I much prefer to be the V8 man. Now, what does that even mean? When you wake up in the morning, and this happens consistently, you've got energy, you've got courage to attack the day like a boss. You know it's not discipline. You know it's not motivation because you have enthusiasm and joy for life. And because you've got the energy to back that shit up, every day becomes a gift. And this is what I want to show you how to achieve. And the six cylinder man, like you're spinning your wheels, you're going through the motions, and you know there's something not quite right. You might have been to your doctor and he said, listen, man, we've done the tests and you know you're in range, so you're good. Now the problem with that is you've got standard labs and optimal labs. So number one, you've got to get the correct labs checked for performance to operate here consistently. And number two, you have to get them in optimal range. And if they're not in optimal range, you will start to slow down as you age. And you'll chalk it up to, you guessed it, this is just aging. I'm on the decline. Let me tell you this. I'm 55 in a couple of weeks. I've been around the block a few times. And I can tell you this, never back the idea that you're on the decline. Now, 8 years ago, I was the four-cylinder man and I was blowing serious smoke. And I had no clue that I was busted inside. And all I needed was a simple tune up to launch me on my road to where I am today, thriving, consistent energy. I had anxiety, panic attacks, social anxiety, performance anxiety. Now, the driving force behind me is my beautiful wife and my four grown kids. You know, I've got to be there to support them. I've got to show them how winning is done. My kids, I want them to see me as their role model, not someone else. So over the years, I've learned a few things, and what I can tell you is this. This is what I call stable energy. So it's getting that stability back. And then beyond that, you can really start to perform consistently, day in, day out. So sta- stable energy is all about the acronym there. S, we got to scan the system. Now, I'm talking about the labs. Now, let me just show you an example here. When I went through and did my training, when I became a certified nutritional consultant, I went through and did a lot of training with this legend here. Now, he's got more letters after his name than I care to count. And as he said, it can be frustrating when your blood labs are normal, but your health isn't. So this is the problem that we face. Now, if you're okay feeling okay and being told that that's okay, this isn't for you. I'm not speaking to you. But if you believe that you are destined for bigger things and you know that energy is the game, it is the currency of life, well, this is for you. Now, this is thyroid. So this is your metabolism. This is your energy. You know, this is huge, this one here. And there's a lot of labs you need to check for thyroid. And this is just one. And it's called thyroid stimulating hormone. Now, what you'll note here, the standard labs, they're really wide, aren't they? They're hugely wide. So when they're down here, you're kind of tired and fatigued. And then because they're down, your body overcompensates and you're wide again. So you're ebbing and flowing. Now, when you get stability back, you get back into the butter zone, and that's the point, stable energy. Now, when it comes to your thyroid, you know, your mitochondria here, this means biogenesis. You're making brand new V8 sons of bitches to power your energy up. That's going to increase your metabolism, growth factors. You know, thyroid is pretty huge. And that's just one lab. Now, here's another one. Vitamin D deficiency means you'll have suboptimal thyroid. So you'll be up and down all over the place. You won't have stable, consistent energy, and that's the game. Period. End of story. So you have to do labs to find out where you're busted inside and start to work on that. Now, unfortunately, for a lot of people, they have higher fasting insulin. So when your insulin is between 2 and 5, you're good. So this is what you get checked in the morning. That's why it's called fasting insulin. However, when it's north of 8 to 10, and I've seen it 25, around 25, what does that mean? Well, you can't oxidize fat for energy. So how the hell are you going to have the six pack, the eight pack? You can't consistently oxidize the fat around your gut. And cortisol takes over and stores more on your gut. But it gets worse because when insulin is a bit too high here, it inhibits cellular cleansing autophagy. So you're packing on the fat. Your bodies can't eliminate junk inside your amazing V8. Well, it's not a V8 anymore, isn't it? So we've got to do some autophagy to clear it out. You might be a V6, right? So some days are good, some days are bad, but you just know that you're not quite there. Or you could be like I was 8 years ago, blowing smoke, full cylinder. So you got a lot of inflammation and you got a lot of gut issues. So what that's just three labs. So as you can see, the very first step is to scan the system. Check out the labs. Now, what's the next thing we're going to do? Well, I'll talk about these three here, and I'll talk about the other three on the next video. The next one here, quite simply, is time. The V8 startup in the morning. Your amazing V8 engine, and you can get it back. It just takes time. It's systems, never supplements. So you got to time your circadian rhythm. Light in the morning as soon as you can, and then you got to be dark at nighttime. Now, why is it got to be dark at nighttime? Scientists call this Alan, artificial light at nighttime, and it screws up your circadian rhythm. So you're wide and tight all the time. Now, here's the big idea. If you've downgraded to 6 and you're really not feeling the energy too well and your fasting insulin's up a bit too high, you've accrued a lot of these junk proteins in your body. So that's what step 6 is all about. That's the cleanse part. But we've got to go through all of these steps here to get to the cleanse part. So that's when you're literally detoxing your body of this shit and junk. So you're literally tuning up your V8 engine. You're rebuilding your V8 engine. So the circadian rhythm is huge. Light in the morning and dark at nighttime. Now, the next port of call is what we call activate. Activate your V8 engine. And that's all about having optimal vitamins and minerals and microminerals inside the cell. Now, if you don't scan the system, you can't go here. You won't be able to do this point. And if you don't time your circadian rhythm, it won't work either. Now, in the next video, I'm going to talk about these ones here. But let me tell you this, you're not broken, you are not anxious, and you sure as hell aren't weak. You just haven't figured this out yet. So if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. But that is how you're going to get your stable V8 engine back. And it's, it can take anywhere, depending on how many symptoms you got, 4 to 6 weeks to 6+ months. Because you might need to do a lot of cleansing. But you can do it. And it's worth the fight. Because if you've got kids like I have and a beautiful wife, and you want to be that man, you want to support them, this is what we have to do as men. We have to get our stable energy back, activate the V8, and keep it there. And when the V8 is activated, this step here, the cleanse, is going to be accelerated. And that's the point. So I'll put out another video, and I'll show you the rest of these 3 steps.